Welcome to the channel. Thanks for tuning in to another video. This week we are back with another Ram 1500 upgrade video for you guys. Let's not waste any more time. We'll jump right into it.
All right, let's go drag racing.
The team over at Boost Auto that sent us our Luma steps decided to send out another awesome product for us to install on the truck. On the Dodges here, you have a turn signal on the mirror. That's what we're going to be swapping out today with their smoked switchback version. So these will light up white all the time. When you flip the turn signal on, they'll flash amber and then they will switch back to a white. And these are the smoked version. Like I said, these are going to look 10 times better. And just a nice little touch of white light. You guys know we love the lights on this channel. I'm not going to be doing a step-by-step install. We're just going to kind of show you guys quickly how I'm installing it. You got to take your door panel off, your mirror off, and run a couple wires. Boost Auto has a super in-depth step-by-step guide, same thing as the steps. I will link that in the description if you guys pick up a set of these. Make sure to go check out Boost Auto. They're linked in the description down below. Let's go ahead and jump right into getting these new switchbacks thrown on. So here we go, we finally got our mirror switchback lights installed. I'm gonna run you guys quickly through kind of what we had to do to get these installed. After we removed the mirror and installed the wiring harness and the actual switchback, put everything back on the truck. Then we ran all the wires down through this boot right here into the footwell. Same thing from the other side. Once it got into the truck, we were able to fish it over to this side and go through the firewall. That's where we went to our fuse box. Everything works just like it should. We got the truck lit up. I've now been driving with our switchback mirror lights for a little bit now. So we went with the smoked lenses. You can do smoked or clear. I just obviously have the smoke look for the rest of the truck, so that's why we went with those. I'm gonna turn our step lights and rock lights off real quick, and I'll just show you guys what it looks like without the rest of the lights on too. So there you guys go. I wanted to get out here in the dark so we could really see these things. When I hit our turn signal here, they will go to amber. Let's jump up into the truck. So we hit our turn signal and they switch back to our white. Now, right now with our fuses, I have it hooked up to our clearance lamp fuse slot. So that means our lights have to be on for these to be on. I'm going to move the fuse tap to a fuse that's powered with the key on, so that way whenever the key's on, it'll have the light on, because if I shut the lights off here, you can see our mirror light went off. So if you want these on all the time, you have to have your headlights on, the rest of your lights on, or move it to a different fuse tap. That's all I'm gonna do for now. Yeah, again, huge shout out to the guys over at Boost Auto, coming in clutch again. There's the same group that sent us the steps. Love everything I've tried from them so far, so I highly recommend it. Again, check out their link in the description, as well as I'll link the install video to my specific install. It wasn't too terrible, it was just tedious. You have to take the door panels off, take the mirror off, obviously run wires. If you guys do that all the time and you're used to it, then you'll be fine. If you're not comfortable, just have a shop do it. But again, the step-by-step video makes it super elementary. Literally shows you step-by-step for your specific vehicle. And they don't just make stuff for Dodges, they have a huge variety of all kinds of different stuff. And they do custom like mirror builds, they do all kinds of crazy stuff along with the steps, the mirrors. So again, check out Boost Auto, and thank you for sending a set of these out. They totally level up the look of the truck. Just the little details like our flush mount lights on the front, the steps, just little touches that make the truck look really good. All right guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. As always, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys take it easy, and we'll catch you on the next one.